What if the clutter in your home is holding you back from attracting wealth and happiness? Buddhist teachings reveal 7 everyday items in your home that could be silently inviting poverty and stagnation into your life. Eliminate them now and watch the energy shift. Everything around you carries energy, and your home is no exception. Buddhist teachings remind us that some common items in our living spaces can block the flow of positive energy, keeping us stuck in routines and unable to manifest the life we desire. In this video, we'll uncover 5 things you must eliminate from your home immediately to clear the path for abundance and new opportunities. These simple yet powerful changes can transform your environment and your life. 1. Clothes. You no longer wear. Clothes carry more than just fabric. They carry energy. Every time you buy a piece of clothing, it reflects the person you were at that point in your life. But as we grow and change, some clothes no longer resonate with who we've become. Holding on to these old clothes keeps you tethered to the past and its energy, which can block new, exciting things from coming into your life. Think about it. Have you ever opened your closet and noticed clothes you once loved but no longer feel connected to? That's because your energy has shifted. Those clothes were a match for your past self, but not your current self. By keeping them around, you're surrounding yourself with energy that no longer aligns with who you are today. Take action by going through your wardrobe and removing clothes that don't bring you joy or make you feel empowered. Whether you donate them or toss them out, it's important to say a quick thank you for the memories they hold. This small gesture allows you to release the past with gratitude and create space for new, positive energy to flow into your life. By clearing out your closet, you're also making room for new experiences and opportunities. Remember, it's not just about having fewer clothes, it's about aligning your space with the person you are becoming. 2. Broken objects. We all have them. Broken plates, chipped mugs, cracked mirrors, or even old electronics that don't work anymore. These items might seem harmless, but according to Buddhist teachings, they carry negative energy that disrupts the flow of positivity in your home. Broken objects represent stagnation, and keeping them around can make you feel stuck in various areas of your life. Let's put it this way. When something in your home is broken, its energy is also broken. It no longer serves its intended purpose, and instead blocks the natural flow of abundance. Imagine trying to pour water into a cracked vase. It leaks, unable to hold what's being given to it. Similarly, broken objects in your home prevent the free flow of positive energy. Even though you might be tempted to fix them, sometimes it's better to let them go. For example, that chipped vase you've been meaning to glue back together. It's time to thank it for its service and discard it. When you remove these broken items, you make space for fresh energy to enter your home, making it feel lighter, clearer, and more harmonious. As you go through your home, take a moment to examine any objects that are cracked or damaged. If they no longer serve you, let them go with gratitude, just like you did with your old clothes. By clearing out broken items, you're allowing positive energy to flow freely again, bringing peace, clarity, and new opportunities into your life. 3. Dirty or worn-out shoes. Your shoes do more than just get you from one place to another. They symbolize your journey in life. Every step you take, your shoes absorb energy from the ground and environment. According to Buddhist teachings, wearing dirty or worn-out shoes invites negative energy into your home and your life. It can create blockages on your path, making it harder for you to move forward with clarity and confidence. Think about it. When you come home after a long day, your shoes are often covered with dust, dirt, and other energies you've picked up along the way. If you leave them dirty or let them wear out completely, that energy lingers in your home, bringing negativity and stagnation into your personal space. It's like trying to walk a path full of obstacles. Your journey becomes harder than it needs to be. To keep the energy around you clear, make it a habit to clean your shoes regularly. This simple act symbolizes cleaning your life's path and ensuring a smooth journey ahead. If your shoes are too worn out to repair, it's a good idea to replace them with a fresh pair. Not only does this bring comfort and practicality, but it also represents a new, clear path forward, free from the past. By maintaining clean and well-cared-for shoes, you're taking an intentional step to remove external negative energy from your home. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and better prepared to step confidently into your future, leaving behind any obstacles or old energy that may have been holding you back. Remember, a fresh pair of shoes can represent a fresh start on your life's journey. 4. Items from loved ones who have passed away. It's natural to hold on to belongings from loved ones who have passed as a way to remember them. However, Buddhist teachings remind us that these items carry the energy of the past, and while memories of loved ones can live in our hearts, their belongings can create emotional and energetic stagnation in your home. By holding on to these objects, you may be unintentionally keeping yourself stuck in the past, blocking the flow of new, positive energy into your life. While it might feel difficult to part with these things, it's important to understand that releasing them doesn't mean you're letting go of the memories or the love you shared with that person. Instead, it's about freeing yourself and your living space from the energy tied to their absence, allowing room for new growth and experiences. Here's an example. Imagine you have a piece of furniture or clothing from a loved one who's no longer with you. Every time you see it, you're reminded of the past, and it can even bring up feelings of sadness or longing. That energy can linger, holding you back from moving forward. It's like trying to start a new chapter in life while constantly rereading the last one. The key is to let these objects go with love and gratitude. Acknowledge the role they played in your life, thank them for the memories they hold, and then release them. This doesn't mean you're forgetting the person. It means you're allowing their spirit to continue its journey, while also creating space for your own. By removing these items, you'll feel lighter, and your home will become a space filled with present-day energy, one that aligns with who you are now and the new experiences you're ready to welcome into your life. 5. Clutter. Clutter is one of the most significant energy blockers in any home. When your living space is filled with disorganized piles, unnecessary items, and things that no longer serve a purpose, the energy in your home becomes stagnant. Buddhist teachings stress the importance of having a clean, open space for energy to flow freely. Clutter creates obstacles, not just physically, but energetically, preventing prosperity and positive opportunities from coming into your life. Imagine walking through a room filled with clutter. You have to navigate around things, step over items, and squeeze through tight spaces. The energy in that room is doing the same, constantly blocked and unable to flow. The same applies to your life. When your space is cluttered, it's harder to think clearly, make decisions, or even feel relaxed. You may also find that new opportunities or wealth are harder to attract because the space in your life, both physically and mentally, is filled with stuff that doesn't serve you. Start by decluttering one area at a time. Open the windows, let fresh air and sunlight in, and organize your belongings. Remove anything you no longer need or use, and keep your home as light and open as possible. Simple tasks like making your bed every morning or organizing your workspace can make a huge difference in how the energy flows through your home. Also, consider adding plants or scents that bring you joy and create a welcoming, positive environment. By eliminating clutter, you're not just tidying up your home, you're making room for positive energy to circulate. You'll notice that your home feels lighter, and you'll feel more peaceful and in control of your surroundings. As a result, your mind will be clearer, and you'll be more open to new opportunities and experiences that align with your goals. A clutter-free home is a powerful step toward creating a life filled with abundance, clarity, and harmony. 6. Expired or unused pantry items. Food represents nourishment, but expired or unused pantry items can hold onto stagnant energy. According to Buddhist teachings, these items block the flow of freshness and abundance in your kitchen and overall living space. Holding onto expired spices, sauces, or canned goods invites a sense of scarcity and disorder. By regularly clearing out expired or neglected pantry items, you allow the energy of renewal and abundance to flow into your home, attracting fresh opportunities and a sense of well-being. 7. Duplicate kitchen gadgets. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and it's essential to keep the energy flowing smoothly. Having an overload of unused or duplicate kitchen gadgets can create unnecessary clutter and block positive energy. According to Buddhist principles, these items can weigh down your space, symbolizing indecision or attachment to things that no longer serve you. By letting go of the gadgets you rarely use, you not only free up physical space, but also create a lighter, more intentional environment that supports a harmonious and abundant life. Conclusion. The energy in your home directly affects your life, from your mood to your ability to attract abundance and success. As Buddhist teachings emphasize, by eliminating these 7 key items, clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, dirty or worn-out shoes, items from loved ones who have passed away, and clutter, you clear the path for positive energy to flow freely. This opens the door to prosperity, growth, and new opportunities. The beauty of these changes is that they're simple yet powerful. You don't need to overhaul your entire life to see a shift. Just start by letting go of what no longer serves you. As you create a lighter, more organized environment, you'll notice that the weight of the past begins to lift, and your home feels like a space where positivity can thrive. So take a moment to reflect. Are any of these things holding you back in your home? Start by making small changes today, and you'll be surprised at the big impact it can have on your life. Let the energy in your home work with you, not against you, to manifest the life you've always desired. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below about what you're going to eliminate from your home first. Don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who could use these insights, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content rooted in Buddhist teachings and the law of attraction. Your journey to abundance starts now. Let the energy flow.